Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Friday Craft Day. Well, no wreath today. Today we're going to work on a cute little project. It's another little Christmas gift that you can make with your kids or grandkids, and it doesn't cost much at all. In fact, as you will see, almost everything I'm using comes from the Dollar Tree. And the other thing that I am using that didn't come from the Dollar Tree came from my backyard. It was a pine cone. But anyway, just to show you that you can make some really cute little gifts. Last year I did a series in December called Gifts from the Kitchen. And I'm not doing that again this year. I've actually already done my fudge, and that's gone except for what I kept here. And I'll put the card up here so you can see that video. It was called Fudge Two Ways. So it was chocolate fudge and peanut butter fudge, and they're both delicious. But anyway, so this year I just thought I'd show you this today. I'd make a gift, not from the kitchen, but from the heart, and something that you can give to your neighbors or a teacher or anyone that comes by your house that you just want to say have a nice holiday. I'm sure if this is not a new concept, I've seen many of these made. I don't know that I've ever actually made one. It's the Christmas sleigh and the candy sleigh. And I have a couple of different ones I'm going to make with a little bit of a variation. This will be the craft video. Sunday will be a food video, and then Tuesday, this coming Tuesday, will be my Christmas home tour for 2020. And after that, I hope to have my order in from Craft Outlet, which includes some materials to make a couple of winter wreaths, like I said I make for after Christmas and before spring. So let me take you down to the counter, and we're going to get busy making some Christmas candy sleighs. I'll be right back. Okay, now everything I've got here, with the exception of one thing which I may or may not use, is from the Dollar Tree. So it's a very inexpensive craft. And I know you've seen this a million times before, but I thought, let's revise it this year. I haven't seen anybody do any this year. And it's a really cute little gift from, well, it's not a gift from the kitchen, but it's a gift from you, or your kids, or your grandkids. Very simple for them to make with you, and it's a cute little thing to give to your neighbors or the teacher. It starts with a Kit Kat. And I'm going to take a piece of tape and just maybe okay, my tape dispenser has seen better days. Its teeth are losing their bite. I'm just going to tape this one down on the front so we've got a clear front. Okay, now I have two candy canes here. I'm waiting, my glue gun is not quite hot enough. And I'm going to just glue these on the Kit Kat like so. And these happen to be sour, I think it is sour candy canes. I guess the kids all love sour. I probably will like them better than a regular candy cane. I'm not a big fan of candy canes actually. So let me just give this a couple of seconds to heat up. I'll show you what else I have. I have a little Santa who will drive the sleigh. And I have a few bells and flat pieces. We're going to use those to help hold up Santa. And then I do have in here some tape. And I think I might start with the green. We'll see how that works. Okay, I think we got this warm enough now. So I'm going to just put a little bit of glue along the back of this. Oop. They're cute. Looks like a little sleigh. And it will set nicely pretty soon. Now Santa Claus is going to stand right up here. And I can put a little glue on him right there. See if I can get him to stand. But then I'm going to put a few little pieces. Oh, I need a new glue stick. I got one of these little glue guns because my other one that I use all the time in my crafting is so hot that I was afraid I'd melt the chocolate. Now what I've done is just put a little between Santa and this chocolate. So he's going to kind of sit against it. And I'm going to do the same thing here. There we go. There we go. He's nice and sturdy now. Now I'll give him a bell here. And let's see. Whoop. Well, if I can find the end of this. Here we are. Should be an end here. Here we go. Whoa, only got part of it. And I'm going to put a little flour. There you go. Isn't that cute? Now that's using the Kit Kat, and that's what I would say 90% of these are made with. I'm going to try something a little different. I have two more here. And this is a box of chocolates, and you can see it's considerably larger. So these don't fit as great. So I'm just going to put a little bit here. In fact, what I'll do is I'll put it on the candy cane. Okay. And now this is a box of candy, but you could use like a little box and have a toy of some sort, and it doesn't have to be candy. I would say if you're going to use like have a toy, you'd probably want to wrap it up. And there you go, there's the sleigh. That looks pretty good. Now this one is so big, you could put something like this on the back of it. And it doesn't have to be all candy. That is a homemade Christmas tree ornament. And that is made with pine cone. Once it opened, all the points were just painted white, and little beads were put on the points to make it look like ornaments. There's a little hanger and a "to" sign that you can put the person's name on it up here. Isn't that cute? So I think what I'm going to do is add that. And I put a little piece of plastic down at the bottom so that it won't hurt the pine cone to take off of this. Move this around so you can see the name. And then we'll put a few presents around the bottom of the tree. Don't forget, this box here is all full of candy. So you're still getting a good supply of candy. And I think I got a little Santa here I can put over here. No, I think I'll put him down here. I don't want it to get more glue on the ornament. So look at that. Now you have given them a lot of glue strings, a nice Christmas present of some chocolates, and a homemade ornament for their tree. And I think the pine cone makes a perfect one, but there's lots of different homemade ornaments that you could use. But because this box is bigger, it gives it more room. So here we have the Kit Kat Santa and the Christmas tree sleigh. Perfect. Aren't they cute? And they don't take any time. Now, like I said, everything with the exception of this pine cone, which is handmade, comes from the Dollar Tree. And this is one of 1, 2, 3. I think there was 6 candy canes for $1. This was $1. The bag that included all of these little bells and presents were $1. And the Santa Clauses, there were 3 in a package for $1. There's another kind of thing you could use. You could use the truffles. Let me just see here. See how this works. the truffles. How would I put them? I think I'd put them this way. Yeah. Or would I put them this way? Nope, that's too high. So you could put them this way. And put another Santa. I don't have any more balls to help hold them up, so we can't really make another one. But you see, you can use a lot of different things for the base of the sleigh. And this again is from the Dollar Tree. So there you go. We have the Santa with money. And we have the candy with the tree. A little children's book or the little small puzzles that you can find make it perfect. This would make a great, well, it wouldn't make a great stocking stuffer because it'd probably fall apart if you're trying to put it in and out of a stocking, but so there you go, Christmas gifts from the heart. Enjoy. Make a few, have fun. Try all kinds of things to put them together with. Okay, I'm going to see you over the weekend. We're going to be doing something cooking-wise. I'm not sure yet. I have a couple of things in mind. And then we'll see you Tuesday for the house tour. So until then, have fun making some Christmas sleighs. Play by the rules. Keep your distance. Wear your mask. Wash your hands. And everybody, play nice now. I'll see you Sunday. Love you. Bye-bye.